What's going on, everybody? This is Master Guil. Welcome back to yet another reaction video. Now, it's been a while since I last made one. I know that I said I was going to stop, and after I said that, I've been getting requests up the butt of people trying to request me to watch this, watch that, watch these, watch those, and I haven't been having any time to do anything. Just, oh man, you know, real life issues and all that. And I know I'm being a little selfish here, and I wanted to make a reaction video out of this. I really don't know what this is. I mean, I saw this under my suggestions box when I was browsing through YouTube some days, and this popped up. And so I watched little bits of it here and there, and I got a little stumped by it, like, what the hell is this? So I actually looked this up, and well, I'll tell you all at the end of this. So on here, I actually found the English dub to this. Originally, I had watched little bits and pieces of it in Japanese, and it wasn't that bad in Japanese. I'll give it that. So I have not watched it in English. I have not watched it in English yet. So. And it seems like it's split into 8 parts. So I guess it's like considered a 2-hour long movie. I don't know. But so anyway, without further ado, let's just get on with this. And so since this is split up into 8 parts, this is probably going to be an 8-part reaction video, since all of them are like maybe 14 to 20 minutes long. So let's start. Oh, great, Japanese. Good way to start out any video. Although Dragon Ball Z did the same thing. Oh, Tokyo Broadcasting System. TBS Pictures. Okay. More stuff we can't read. Uh-oh. They look like hyenas. Oh yeah, that's not obvious. They're trying to be stealthy, right? Is anything gonna happen? Is this the Jaws thing I'm hearing? Oh, lambs to the slaughter. The music reminds me of that one Xemnas battle from Kingdom Hearts 2, before you go through the door to the final battle. A goat is faster than a wolf? I mean, I'm assuming that's a goat, right? Oh! Oh, there goes the ear! Oh. Oh, damn. Damn, ate her ass. Oh. Wow. Almost 3 minutes into the freaking video and already there's murder. Well, that's a circle of life. Harashi no Yoroni. In translation, that means one stormy night. I actually found that out. Which I actually was an idiot and not said that this is one Stormy Night in English. Arashi no Yoro ni. Ah, nice title. I'll give it that. No, I still have no idea what all this is. As I said, I watched a couple scenes in Japanese. I decided to make a reaction video out of this. I feel like making this a little cinema styles reaction videos. I don't know, I'm just being an idiot. Yes, give us more text that some of us Americans cannot read. Nice scenery. It's very beautiful. Boy, May, it's time to go. May? Sounds like the Digimon's name. The fuck is up that go right there? No shit, Sherlock. I don't know. Do I need to turn this up a little more? I don't think goats are supposed to do that. That defies all the laws of nature. The laws of physics. And I don't think a goat's eyes are that big. Yeah, I don't think it's supposed to be moving like that. Well, there was obviously some things wrong with that scene. One stormy night. A goat defies the laws of physics, of floating and sprinting through the air. He had big eyes. No, the sky be so light whenever it rains. Let me turn this up a little bit. You have huge eyes. How are you not able to see? Again, defies the laws of physics.
Looks like I'm stuck here for a while.
I'm surprised how fierce the storm is. The little barn or whatever that is doesn't just come tumbling down. You know, like the Three Little Pigs. Are these dark scenes really necessary? I mean, how long they are? What is going on?
Sounds like another goat. Guess I wasn't the only one caught in the weather. It's quite a storm, isn't it?
Oh, sorry. I didn't realize there was someone else here. It's so dark in this place I can't see a thing.
Well, I only got in here a few moments ago, but I already got soaked. And I bumped my head.
Well, thanks to trying to outrun this storm, I twisted my ankle and I still got drenched for my efforts.
Well, it's nice to have some company. Though I am sorry you hurt your leg.
I'll be alright. Thanks for your concern, though. And I have to admit, on a stormy night like this, I wouldn't want to be alone in the dark either.
You're a never mind. Unnecessary long awkward pause.
That's a pretty good
getting a cold.
You're not the only one, but this weather always flucks me up. I can't smell a thing.
Well, if we can't see or smell each other, we'll have to make do with just talking, I suppose.
Why don't you just ask each other what you guys are? Oh. I mean, the dude already assumed there was another goat, but you have to be sure, right?
Well, now, I live out by Jumping Gorges.
What? Jumping Gorges?
Well, there's your clue right there. He's a fucking wolf.
Isn't it a little dangerous living out there?
Dangerous? I don't think so. It's a little steep sometimes, but you know, it's quite nice.
Well, you're certainly brave. Anyway, I live near Pleasant Mountain myself.
I have to admit, I am kind of jealous.
Oh, and he thinks the other one is a wolf. Just fucking ask them!
Very tasty.
Well, that's kind of disturbing. Is the whole show gonna be a disturbing images?
Personally, I prefer South Valley. The food there's great.
I go out there regularly myself. Food out there is especially good, isn't it?
That's right. And it smells beautiful.
Oh, it's so nice. It takes a little too long.
I could eat there every day and never get sick of it.
So true. Once you eat there, you're hooked for life. I wish I had some of that food here right now.
Oh, for sure. I could eat it until I burst.
Delicious.
Oh my god. That delicious what?
You know, talking about food, I was pretty skinny when I was a kid. These days, I make a point of eating like a horse. But when I was young, that was a different story. My mother used to say, go ahead, you can always eat a little more. But sometimes I grew up.
You know, it was the same with me. I was always told that if I didn't eat enough when I had the chance, I wouldn't be able to run fast when I needed to.
Coincidence.
Yeah, precisely the same thing I was always told as a kid. You know, I wonder if our mothers didn't know each other.
That would be a coincidence, but somehow I doubt it since I was raised by my grandmother as a kid.
Why not your mother?
Well, all I know is she died when I was very young.
Gee, I wonder why.
Sorry to hear
And
that.
how.
My mother's going too.
That's unfortunate. But hey, we have a lot in common. It's pretty good, huh?
Inconsiderate jerk. Ask each other, you dumbasses. Why don't they just ask each other? Fucking idiots.
Sorry, I really hate to understand. But you can actually get a look at me.
Oh. Yeah, no. Yeah, no.
Sounds like we're exactly the same in every way.
Hey, I was just about to say that.
Sorry. But how's this for an idea? How about we catch up again tomorrow after the weather clears up, and we can have lunch together?
That'd be nice. This started out as a pretty terrible night thanks to this storm, but it seems I made a friend out of it. Turned out to be pretty good after all. Seems like the storm has finally settled.
Comedic timing.
Hey, you're right.
What the hell?
So, how about it? Will we begin for lunch tomorrow?
It's a
It should be
date.
a perfect day for it. It seems to me the best weather always comes right after a storm.
Well, where would you like to meet?
No one uses this barn anymore. Why don't we just meet here?
That'll do.
That'll do, pig.
Let me see who
That'll
I've been
do.
talking to all night.
Fucking ask him! Oh my god!
Meet at one stormy night. How about that?
Why don't we just tell each other our names? It'll be easier.
But it'll be more fun if we do it my way.
Just fucking tell. Oh.
Ourselves tomorrow. Are you all right?
I've got pins and needles in my foot. It'll be okay, but I just need a few moments.
Well, take care of yourself. And don't forget our code.
Okay, is there a moon out there that can somehow shine in the... Okay, this one seems to be doing better, I guess. Okay, now he definitely should have saw him. Oh, God. Just look back and look at each other. What the fuck? Oh, God. Well, that's the end of part 1. Oh, man. Oh, boy. Where do I begin? Well, first off, it didn't look too bad, but I couldn't really make much out of it considering how freaking dark it was. Well, it was night... Well, yeah, it was nighttime. It was storming out. But there are a whole bunch of things wrong with this scene. Just that, you know, goats and wolves are enemies. You know, wolves eat the goat eat the grass. You know, the circle of life. You know, the Lion King and all that. You know, what nature intended. Why didn't these two dumbasses just ask each other, hey, are you a goat or a wolf? Well, then again, if they would have asked each other that, one of them probably would have lied. Or something like that. Like, either way, it was kind of stupid. That part was kind of stupid. So I can't really make out of what I think because I didn't see much of it, except from the beginning. To like 3 minutes into the video, there's already death, blood, and all that. Like, oh damn. Well, anyway, that's the end of part 1, and so we'll continue on, and I'll see you guys in part 2.